Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Weekend ready? Time to do, hopefully we still have this great weather, and for Saturday, Sunday, we'll see how it goes. But anyway, we'll start this off. This is our last day of the week. This week was sponsored by, our partner was MAPIC, which is the biggest retail expo and fair in Europe. This year it's going to happen November 30th through December 2nd. We've also got, whether you're there or not, we definitely would like to get any of your information on the retail side. Whether you've got we've got our CEE retail guide, which goes out at MAPIC every year, and we're one of the media partners there, the international media partner. So if you've got anything for and with 1,000 retailers, if you have anything for retailers, that opportunities in either shopping centers, retail parks, outlet centers, let us know, because we want to get it out to the retailers coming to MAPIC. So hopefully you can come. We'll see you there June 30th. Be a nice change, at least from Polish weather, and probably will be, I understand, hot, sunny, warm beach weather. We'll see. So we hope to see you there. And also for October, back a month, staying in October. Next week we have the Expo Real, which we're distributing our Europa Property Investment Guide at. I'll be there, so if you want to get together and have a coffee or talk about some of the projects or just meet up, drop me a SMS. I'm happy to come to whatever stand you're at or wherever you're at in the fair. We'll meet up for a quick chat. Also, we have our CEE Investment Awards taking place in Warsaw again at the Warsaw Intercontinental Hotel. That's going extremely well. A lot of investors, a lot of sponsors coming in for the event, and investors flying in for the event, which is unusual, to see these days. So great to have you guys all here. We have a little bit less space, as you could imagine, as we had before in the ballroom. So if you haven't booked your sponsorship yet or table, please do it right away, because we are running out of space. So we definitely like to have as many people at the event as we can. So we'll see you on that. And on that note, let's just jump right into the news with Winston Norman. We'll have our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. We'll take a little break, 20 seconds. We'll be right back with Winston and all the exciting news of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome back, and we're here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief for Europa Property. Friday morning, getting ready for the weekend. Winston, tell us what is going on in the news.
Thank you, Craig, for that nice introduction. And what we got today? Well, today, no surprise, we've got more logistics and industrial news. There's a lot of that on the website at the moment. And GLP, they're an investor developer in Poland and the region. They've started construction on GLP Wrocław 5 Logistics Centre in the Wrocław area. It's built on a 50-hectare plot, and will ultimately offer 240,000 square meters of logistics space.
Big project.
Massive project, but I guess no surprise, because the outlook for this sector and growing e-commerce and the needs of logistics, they're going to need the space, it seems.
The industrial guys are doing great.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, and the first facility at this centre is scheduled to complete in 2022, and the whole project will consist of around 5 buildings. They will range from 28 to 84,000 square meters. They're going to offer, or they'll be certified at BREEAM Very Good, like all buildings these days. And there is an option to expand the site as well. So there could be even more space there.
All right, great.
And it's one of the priorities, or one of the good aspects of this development is the location, obviously. It's near the S8, one of the main roads, and it provides a very good expressway, which provides a good connection between Wrocław, the Czech Republic, and Germany.
Right. Perfect.
Yeah. And staying in Poland and in one of the regional cities, we moved to Katowice. And JLL has announced that development activity in Katowice is breaking all previous records.
Wow.
Yeah, they were in the first half of 2021. Construction activity in the office sector was the highest in Katowice.
Wow.
It was 160,000 square meters is under construction of office space, and that's it accounts for 21% of the new supply as the country as a whole.
The whole country.
Yeah, so it's a lot. And the residential market, they go on to say, is not idle either. There was 1,400 units put up for sale in projects, and the average price of new flats is 50% higher than 5 years ago, say the sales team. So, I mean, I don't know where this price increase has come from.
Well, good thing we bought so many flats down there 5 years ago.
Good thing we jumped on the residential sector, Craig. Yeah. But I mean that is a big increase. So you're going to be a happy.
You think more people are making more money and they can afford it, or just more people want to live there, or?
I'm not sure people can afford it, to be honest, Craig. You know, it's it seems if the prices are going up so quickly,
they go get another job.
I think that's why the investors are coming in to scoop up the market.
Right. Good opportunity.
To rent.
Right, to rent them.
So in this year, from the end of 2022, June 2021, 5 new office buildings were delivered to the market in Katowice. And also in Katowice, demand is not, on the residential side, demand is not exceeding supply. So, there is need.
Yeah, you need some good salespeople to sell these apartments.
Yeah, I'm sure JLL has got a very good sales team
they
out
do.
there.
Yeah.
Staying in Poland, and we moved to Warsaw, and in the office market, law firm CMS will relocate its office to Warsaw Tower.
Great.
HB Reeves' building. It's the tallest building in the European Union now, and the law firm has leased around 7,000 square meters on 5 floors, connected by a staircase, and it's obviously modern space, state of the art. It's going to have a 450 square meter private terrace, so
very
nice to do your business there.
I guess we should be waiting for our invitation for
when we're closing our residential deals, we need someone to sign off.
Yes, absolutely.
Remember to take your best.
Yeah, exactly.
And according to CMS, they say, we have made an ambitious move and are looking forward to the future. We want to invest in innovation and attract the best talent in legal services. Until now, we've rented an office of 4,500 square meters, and we decided to go for almost twice as much space. However, given the goal of providing the best conditions for growth, we planned an office that will provide comfortable common spaces for the entire CMS team of more than 300 people. We want it to be one of vibrant organism that takes into account our style of work and our culture. I mean, that just goes in line with what employees want from their employers today. And exactly. I guess top-notch lawyers need top-notch locations.
Well, it sounds like they've got one and enough space.
Does indeed. And we'll just close with a quote from Marcin Klammer. He's the president of HP Reeves in Poland.
Sure. Yeah.
He says CMS's decision to move to Warsaw Tower proves that leading organisations regard offices, their comfort and quality to be an important element in attracting new talents and maintaining a motivated team. It's especially true in industries where relationships and teamwork is key. CMS plans to move into the new office in late 2022, early 2023, and Warsaw Tower is set to be completed in 2022.
All right. Well, not surprising Marcin would be happy about this, yeah? I mean, as the
substantial
president of HB Reeves. So great. I guess that wraps us up for the week, yeah? So
that's it for this week, yep.
So everyone enjoy the weekend. Take care of yourselves, and we will see you on Monday. Thank you for watching the Coffee with Craig Show. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig Show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.